The Axtension Downtime agent is sign-up software's first agentic step towards peak operational efficiency. Production environments often run across multiple shifts, including outside office hours. When a machine fails or a resource becomes unavailable, output drops immediately, impacting overall equipment effectiveness and bottom-line results. Production planners and repair teams aren't always instantly available, and that's where the Downtime agent steps in. We built this agent on Microsoft Copilot Studio with the new Dynamics 365 MCP, helping us to intelligently automate several steps. It suggests potential resolutions based on error code information so you can get your resource up and running as soon as possible. It also generates alternative production plans, factoring in constraints like promised delivery dates and capacity. Multiple resources are evaluated, and after careful consideration of their capabilities and priorities, the fit-for-purpose resource is suggested. When all validations are completed, the agent provides a clear summary of the decisions it made and the steps it took, and generates one or multiple production simulation plans. These simulation scenarios can be validated inside of Dynamics 365. Whether the production orders will be delayed or moved to another resource will be one of the well-informed decisions you as a planner can make based on the agentic considerations, allowing you to publish the most suitable plan. This will enable you to maximize production efficiency and limit the impact of production downtime. At Sign-Up Software, we are ready to let AI help you to achieve peak efficiency. If you'd like to learn more, check our website signupsoftware.com/AI.